been hearing about the rising interest rates and are wondering if now is still a good time to buy, stick around for this video. First things first, don't let high interest rates keep you from your dreams. If your dream is to become a home buyer, then let's make that happen. Interest rates are important in real estate, but they're far from the end-all be-all that they're often made out to be. Let's put interest rates in perspective. The interest rate you get today will be higher by a percentage point or two compared to this time last year. But today's interest rates are still very low compared with what they were in the 1970s and 90s. You can still get an interest rate lower than your parents did. You can also refinance your mortgage down the road. If you're not happy with your interest rates and they're lower at some point in your mortgage term, you can refinance to take advantage of the new lower interest rates. This is a great option for many buyers because that means they don't have to worry about being locked into an interest rate forever with refinancing. With all of this in mind, it's still a good time to buy, even though interest rates are rising. What buyers can do is make sure that they get the lowest rate possible. You can do this a few ways. First, make sure your credit score is happy and healthy. That means paying bills on time, not carrying over balances, and regularly paying down debt. Check your credit score to ensure that there aren't any errors, and if they are, get them corrected ASAP. When your credit score is high, you're more likely to qualify for a lower interest rate because you're not as much of a credit risk to lenders. You'll also want to work on lowering your debt to income ratio. The higher that ratio, the higher your interest rate will be. Your debt to income ratio is just like it sounds, how much debt you pay monthly compared to your monthly income. If your ratio is high, then the more of a risk you pose to a lender. Paying down debt will not only lower your ratio, but it will help your credit score as well. If it's your dream to become a homeowner, don't let interest rates get you down. Instead, focus on getting the best interest rate possible by boosting your credit score and lowering your down payment. Plus, keep in mind you can always refinance in the future for a lower rate. Have any questions about interest rates and getting approved for a mortgage? Send me a DM and I'll put you in touch with some amazing, knowledgeable lenders.